Hey, it's Mahesh here. If you're watching this video, you might be curious about PartnerStack and whether it's a legitimate way to earn money online. Today, we are diving into PartnerStack to see if it's worth your time or if there are any better alternatives out there. But before we get started, if you want to discover my favorite method to earn around $5,000 to $10,000 a month from comfort of your home, then please click the first link in the description. Just picture this: if an ordinary Indian person like me with English as my third language can craft automated systems and make money in dollars, if I can do it, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? So for more information, please visit the first link in the description. On this channel, I've reviewed countless ways to make money online, ranging from excellent to not so great. So let's explore PartnerStack to determine its legitimacy and effectiveness. PartnerStack is a well-established affiliate marketing network primarily focused on software as a service, SaaS programs. They collaborate with various SaaS vendors, allowing marketers like you and me to join their affiliate programs and promote their software to our audience for commissions. Here are some notable software platforms they work with: Vimeo, Typeform, Maro, and many more. To access these affiliate programs, you simply sign up with PartnerStack and start marketing these software products to your audience. When someone makes any purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's a straightforward process. So how do you get started? It's as simple as clicking the Apply to PartnerStack Network button and following the application process. Once approved, you gain access to various software programs to promote. PartnerStack boasts impressive stats with over 300 software companies on board, generating nearly 400 million in annual sales revenue driven by partners like us. 45 million in commissions to marketers. These numbers speaks volume about the program's creditability. Now, let's talk about the commission structure. Each software program offers different commission rates. For example, Vivo would be offering you around 30% commission, Hiver around 50%, Solink around 20%, and you can find there are n number of affiliate programs available on this platform. The commission rates vary, so it's essential to review them carefully. Some programs pay a percentage of sales while others offer fixed amounts per customer or subscription. The minimum payout threshold is $5 and payments are made monthly on 13th of each month. PartnerStack provides a 90-day cookie duration. Keep this in mind, giving you ample time to earn commissions from referrals. Overall, it's a lucrative opportunity, especially if you are in the software or tech niche. However, PartnerStack may not be suitable for everyone. If your audience isn't interested in software products, it might not be the right fit. Additionally, if you are new to affiliate marketing, PartnerStack doesn't offer extensive training, so it's better suited for experienced marketers. But don't worry at all. If you are a beginner, I've got you covered. Stick around and I'll show you how to leverage affiliate programs like PartnerStack to start earning income online. So at last, I would like to conclude saying PartnerStack is a reputable affiliate program tailored for software enthusiasts. With generous commission rates and a wide range of products, it's worth exploring if you have the right audience. However, if you are new to the game, it might be wise to gain some experience first. So if you are ready to dive in, visit partnerstack.com to learn more. And if you're new to making money online, don't forget to check out the first link in the description, get registered and follow the steps. Thanks for watching this review on PartnerStack. If you're newly watching this video for the first time, then I request you to please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notification, as well as it would be motivating me to create new content for you. Best of luck on your journey and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.